Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Nord Stream gas explosions may have caused greater ecological damage than expected. It is still unclear who blew up part of the Nord Stream pipeline that brought Russian gas to Germany last year, but with all the trappings of a thriller, speculation continues. Last week, the New York Times reported that U.S. officials have received new information suggesting that a pro-Ukrainian group, possibly including Ukrainian and Russian nationals opposed to Russian President Vladimir Putin, may have been responsible. Less widespread was the environmental disaster that has spread since the explosions unfolded. Recently collected data has scientists concerned that the ecological damage caused by last year's blasts in the Baltic Sea is greater than holidaymakers originally feared. The economist estimated that the blast in the water was the seismic equivalent of 500 kilograms of TNT, about that same as a car bomb. Almost immediately in Nord Stream 2, one of two parallel pipelines that will transport Russian gas to Germany, a pressure drop was detected. 17 hours later, another leak was discovered when holes were blasted in the casings of Nord Stream 1 and 2. A plume of methane bubbles was visible on the water surface, the largest being about 1 kilometer in diameter. After the explosions, only one of the four remaining pipelines that make up the two Nord Stream pipelines are intact. The damage was extensive, explains Dr. Thomas Dalhgren from the Department of Marine Sciences at the University of Gothenburg. All the gas that the pipelines contained was let out. False hope first, Swedish authorities said they don't expect the methane leak to have any long-term impact on the marine ecosystem. They claimed that gas would escape through seawater and enter the atmosphere without harming the marine ecosystem. This statement was not based on any science, says Dalhgren. German scientists, in collaboration with the University of Gothenburg, collected water samples in the first week after the leak and again in January. They found that methane concentrations